Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the new Apple iPad Pro. Now you can pick this one up from Apple. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this particular model starts at $1,000. Now this is the 12.9-inch version, 128 gigs of storage, Wi-Fi only. Now if you want 1 terabyte with cellular service, then you're looking at an extra $700. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now this comes in 2 different colors. You got space gray and silver. For the display, you got a 12.9-inch liquid retina display that has 120 Hz ProMotion with 600 nits brightness. Now you got a new dual camera setup, so that's 10 megapixel ultra wide and a 12 megapixel wide angle with a new LiDAR scanner. Now that's going to be for your augmented reality. Now this features new high quality studio microphones. You got the best quad speakers in the game. You got Wi-Fi 6. And all of that is powered by the new Apple A12Z Bionic Supersonic Titanium Uranium chip. Now, what does that mean in English? No one knows, all right? But you don't need to know. It's an Apple product. You know it's going to be boss. All right, so let's unbox this and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white
calm down. All right, here we go. Apple iPad Pro 2020. Now, like I said, this is the 128 gig version, broke man status, right? Wi-Fi only. Here we go. No unboxing knife necessary. Nice white box. Giggity. Here we go. Okay, so this is going to be your iPad Pro, the new version. All right, you see now you got the square cameras on the back. Kind of matches the phone. All right, shoes, scoot, scoot. Okay, let's see what you get in here. That's going to be your usual books and shit. Pluck them and file them. And, of course, you got your Apple Troll stickers. Save those for further usage. Okay, this is going to be, let's see, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. This is your charging cable. And here's your charging brick. Okay, so that's pretty much it on that. Okay, nice lightweight. You see you got your magnet connectors in the back. Let's see, let's power this up. Okay, Apple logo. There's 2 of your quad speakers. There's the other 2, USB Type-C charging. And that's pretty much it. Let me do the smell test on this one. Yes, this one smells like quality right here. All right, you buy Apple products, you're buying high quality. Now, just for fun, let me pull out my old iPad, and show y'all the difference. Okay, so here's the new AirPod. Here's the new iPad, and here's the old iPad, side by side. You see the biggest difference is that camera. All right, so Apple has a good way of making you feel like a peasant. So now when you pull out this iPad, first thing everybody's going to do is look at the camera. Now you look like a peasant. All right, so shout out to Apple. Can't hate the game. I hate to play it, don't hate the game. Now, while we set this up, let's take a look at the Apple Pencil. Okay, now this one is going to run you $130. Let's see, it looks the same as last year's version. But let's just take a look at it anyway. Okay. All right, Apple Pencil. We don't need that box. Inside, let's see. Okay, all your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And just the pencil. Now, on a side note, for all y'all that's getting triggered about me throwing the boxes are going in the garbage. All right, calm down. I don't need to make love to the box. It's going in the garbage. Here's your Apple Pencil. Let's see, does it have the same magnet? Okay, it's going to magnetize to the side. Just like the old one. No problems with that. And of course, we got the Smart Keyboard Folio. Now this one is going to run you $200, I believe. Let me just double check that later, but I think it's 200. Let's see, Smart Keyboard Folio. Now they have the new keyboard. That's not available till May. So we're going to have to wait to check that one out. Let's see. Here we go. Smart Keyboard Folio. Okay, the box is trolling me. Here it is. Okay, smart keyboard folio. Okay, file all that. Inside, usual books and shit, file that to the side. Now this has a nice, oh, this feels like velvet, nice velvet interior. Now I'm pretty sure these keys don't light up, and that's one of the things that I hated about last year's version. No light up keys, all right? That sucks. But this slaps right on, locks into place. All right, so let me grab all my information. I'll set everything up, then we'll walk through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I've been playing around with this tablet for about an hour, and I got to be honest with y'all, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this a major go. This is without a doubt my favorite tablet. Now look, it's no secret, iPads have always been my favorite tablet, and that's for one reason and one reason only, the speakers. The iPad has the best speakers on any tablet in the market. Now, as much as I love Android tablets for the customization and a lot of the other features, iPads have the best speakers. And for me personally, what I use tablets for is social media and regular media. Now, if you're heavy into regular media, you're going to want a big, beautiful display, and you're going to want great speakers. And that's what you're going to find on an iPad. Now, look, if you got last year's iPad, it's going to feel like using the same iPad. Right? It's not going to feel like a giant upgrade, but you will notice an upgrade. And let me talk about that real quick. The first upgrade you're going to notice is the camera. The wide angle lens camera is actually an upgrade. Now, let me show you something real quick. I took some pictures. For a tablet, this actually takes some really nice pictures. Look at this. For a tablet, that's not bad. Right, not bad at all. So shout out to Apple. All right, so all y'all old school cats, you going to the graduation and you're going to be that one dude taking pictures like this. At least now you're going to be able to take some real pictures. Not bad at all. Now, another upgrade that you're going to notice is the studio mics. And I want to show you a demo real quick. Matter of fact, let me set this up so you can see for yourself. All right, now I don't know if this test is really going to translate onto YouTube, but let's try it anyway. Now, the studio mics, this is a huge upgrade. When you're recording videos using your iPad, it sounds way better. So here's last year's iPad. This is the new one. Now, I just recorded Xerxes chilling on the table, purring mad loud. Let's play it from the first video. Y'all hear that purring sound? Now I'm going to play the same thing from the new iPad. Do you hear the difference? Yo, now look, like I said, I don't know if this test is going to translate into YouTube, but in real life, now I'm sitting right in front of this. It's just incredible, all right? The studio mics, listen to how loud this is. This is a huge upgrade, all right? For people that like to make videos using a big iPad, you're going to love these mics. Not to mention FaceTime, all right? When you're using FaceTime, it's going to sound better. Now, another upgrade I noticed is the LiDAR scanner. If you're using the Measure app, actually works faster. You get your measurements a little bit faster. Now, as far as performance-wise, like I said, I don't really edit videos and do a lot of heavy activities using my tablet. So for me, last year's and this year's iPad, performance-wise, they pretty much feel the same. For what I'm using, basically YouTube, Twitter, Netflix, it's all the same. All right, it's all the same. But listen to those speakers. The speakers alone, the speakers alone is why I would buy an iPad over an Android tablet. Now, it depends on what you're going to use, what you're going to use your tablet for. If you're just going to be casually watching movies and videos, and like I said, a lot of heavy social media and regular media, nothing beats these speakers on an iPad. Nothing. Not to mention, it's silky smooth, no lag. You got your multitasking. This is a beast right here. All right, this is a beast. Got your Apple Pencil, magnetizes to the top. Once you put it back on, gives you your battery percentage. you can actually use this. Now, this is perfect for people like me that got big fat fingers. When you're on those websites and you got to check little boxes, use the Apple Pencil. Now, Apple Pencil works the same on both tablets. So, overall, if you got last year's iPad and you don't really care about having a wide-angle lens camera, you don't really care about the LiDAR scanner, and you're basically just watching videos and, doing bullshit on it, you don't need to upgrade. But if you're buying this to try to do laptop level activities on it, yeah, then you're going to want the A12 Supersonic Bionic Titanium Uranium chipset. Now, let me show you the keyboard real quick. I'm not a big fan of these keyboards. I don't even know why I got this one. I should have just waited for the other one, but it is what it is. The keyboard does actually work. Let's see. Let's pull up something. Let's go to Google. You see? You can type. Let's go to Samsung. See, it does work, but it doesn't light up. The keyboard doesn't light up. That's one thing that I really don't like. Using this at nighttime is pretty much worthless. But you got different viewing angles. It locks into place. If you want, once you flip it back like this, it automatically disables the keyboard. So if you're holding it like this, you don't have to worry about pressing buttons with your fingers. It's automatically disabled. I think I actually just got this one because it does look nice when you fold it up. Nice and compact. No batteries necessary. Magnetizes right under the back of your iPad, and you're good to go. All right, so now let's check the web browsing speeds. Go to Samsung.com. Okay, there it is. Full website. Super fast, super smooth. And if you want to, got a bunch of different apps open at the same time. This is a beast. All right, so this is what it's going to look like when you're doing a little gaming. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm playing Mortal Kombat on an iPad. I know, trash. All right, but I still take the W. Uh-oh, fatality, hold up. Okay. And there it is. Now, if y'all want to see me on PlayStation 4, I'll leave my gamer tag. Everybody's on quarantine. Y'all can come get some of this work. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the new iPad Pro is a major, major, major go. The build quality is excellent. The battery life is amazing. The display is beautiful. It's silky smooth, no lag. It's crazy fast. But most importantly, those speakers are going to blow your mind. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
we're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.